Welcome to the first edition of the Farmville Weekly News. I'm Jessica Darst. Top stories out of Farmville this week begins with an update on the spread of the Norovirus. Hampton-Sydney College reopened last Wednesday after being shut down due to reported 300 students being affected from the virus. Longwood University gave an update via the Weather and Emergency Alerts website yesterday morning, stating that there was about 7 additional cases of norovirus-like illness on campus reported over the weekend. The number of total Longwood cases since the virus started to spread on campus is now over 50 cases. There is no update on the norovirus cases within the county outside of either campus. More from Farmville last week, the Moton Museum announced that they are steadily pursuing their affiliation with Longwood University. While the deal between the two has not yet been solidified, the museum is currently working on the fine details of the potential deal between the two. The motive behind pairing with the university is to seek further resources through their faculty, staff, and students who they had had relationships with for many years now. Our next piece hits on the Heroes of the Heart Sweetheart Ball this past Saturday. The ball was organized as a fundraising event by the Heart of Virginia Free Clinic as a way to gather donations for the clinic. Xavier Harrison has a story.
The Sweetheart Ball was a sold-out event with a total of 250 guests in attendance. The price to attend the ball ranged from $100 for couples to $65 for individuals. The ball took place at the Farmville Municipal Golf Course from 7 p.m. to midnight. Those who attended the ball were able to participate in either a live auction or a silent auction for a variety of goods such as a handmade blanket, a guitar, a helicopter ride for two, and much more. Throughout the evening, guests were provided with live entertainment from a popular Virginia Beach band, the Janitors. Pat Payne, executive director of the Heart of Virginia Free Clinic, is responsible for publicizing the Sweetheart Ball.
I did a radio ad, on Call Flow, and I was involved in some interviews with the newspaper, and made some phone calls to people trying to get donations.
The Heart of Virginia Free Clinic is a volunteer organization with the belief that all should have access to basic health care services. Doctors, nurses, and other members of the community volunteer their time and expertise to provide care in Prince Edward County and surrounding areas. They operate solely on donations and limited grant money.
The purpose of this event was to raise money for operating expenses. The clinic is a business just like any other, and we have rent to pay, we have electricity to pay, we've got a water bill to pay, we've got to pay for our internet and our electronic medical records and office supplies, and it costs about $80,000 a year to run our program.
Prominent donors for the Sweetheart Ball include Central Southside Community Hospital, Farmville Hampton Inn, Aaron's Bridal, and WFLO. This time last year, the Heart of Virginia Free Clinic reached out to the community for funding, and this past Saturday, the community did just that. Reporting for Farmville Weekly News, I'm Xavier Harrison.
In August of this year, Southern States Farmers Cooperative, also known as Co-op, will move to a new and larger location. Matt King's Walk to Campus is set to renovate the 30,000 square foot property that currently houses Co-op. Walk to Campus plans to turn the building into 36 apartments that will be targeted towards professionals rather than students. The two companies began talking in 2007, but never could come to a solid agreement. There were concerns over historical value of the co-op because it was once home to one of the town's original tobacco prizeries. After 8 years of discussion, King and Co-op came to an understanding that the historical value can still be preserved. For Walk to Campus, this will be a major change in target audience considering they typically serve the undergraduate community. King told the Farmville Herald that he thinks they will get a lot of interest from professionals such as faculty, staff, folks affiliated to the hospital, and anyone who wishes to live and work in the Farmville community. From everyone here at Farmville Weekly News, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Jessica Darst.